Most people think financial freedom means driving a fancy car or quitting their job. That's not true. Real financial freedom has levels. And the higher you climb, the more control you gain over your money, time, and life. So in this video, I'll break down the 5 levels of financial freedom that everyone should aim for. By the end, you'll know exactly where you are and what to do to move up. Welcome to the channel. Here, we talk about money, income, and smart living. If you're serious about building wealth, hit the like button and subscribe for weekly videos that help you take control of your finances. Alright, let's get into it. Level 1, Financial Dependence. This is where most people start. You rely completely on someone else for money, maybe your parents, your partner, or your job. If your paycheck stops, your entire life stops. You're living from one income source, and you have zero savings. To move past this level, you need to learn basic money management, budgeting, tracking expenses, and saving something every month. It's not about making millions yet. It's about control. Level 2, Financial Stability. Now you're paying your bills on time, you've built a small emergency fund, and you're not drowning in debt. You're stable, but not free. You still depend on your job, but at least you're not panicking every end of the month. At this stage, focus on paying off high-interest debt and learning how to make your money grow. Maybe start investing small amounts or build a side hustle. Level 3, Financial Security. You've created a safety net. Your savings or investments can cover your basic needs, rent, food, bills, for a few months, even if you lose your job. This is the level where you start to breathe. You no longer live in fear of a sudden expense. But you still have to work to maintain your lifestyle. To reach this level, you must save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses and start investing consistently, even if it's small. Level 4, Financial Independence. This is where the game changes. You now have enough passive income to cover all your living expenses. Your money works for you. You could stop working and still maintain your lifestyle. This comes from investments, rental income, dividend stocks, or online businesses that pay you monthly. Financial independence gives you the freedom to work because you want to, not because you have to. Level 5, Financial Freedom. This is the top level. Your income covers your needs, wants, and dreams. You travel when you want. You help others. You live life on your own terms. At this level, your assets are strong, your income is diversified, and money is no longer your main worry. You use it to create impact. But here's the truth, financial freedom doesn't happen by luck. It happens by planning, saving, and investing early. Now that you know the 5 levels of financial freedom, ask yourself, which level are you on right now? Type it in the comment. See you soon.